everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ellie, and today I'm showing you how to make my low sugar smoothie bowl. I've been making smoothie bowls for about 10 years, so I've learned a thing or two along the way. And as a nutrition student, I think it's really important to mention that some smoothies can be really high in sugar if you're using lots of sweet fruit like banana, mango, melon, so it's something to be cautious of. You want to include a source of protein, healthy fats, as well as some fiber in your morning smoothie. So let's get straight into the recipe. First up, we're using half an avocado, which are packed with healthy, unsaturated fat, fiber, and vitamin E, and also provide a really creamy consistency. Next, we'll use 1 pre-cooked beetroot, which is high in folate, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Then we're using 1/3 cup of frozen berries, which are packed with antioxidants and provide delicious natural sweetness. We all know it's important to get our greens in, so here you can choose to use a handful of frozen peas, spinach, or chopped courgettes. Now we'll add some almond butter, which provides a dose of healthy fat as well as minerals like calcium. And then we'll go in with our ground flaxseed, which offers protein, fiber, and omega-3. The last thing you'll need is your milk of choice. I'm using coconut milk today, but you could use almond milk, cashew milk, soy milk, or regular dairy milk. Now all that's left to do is blend this up, pour it into a bowl, and add your toppings. Personally, I love to top my smoothie bowls with a big handful of cacao nibs. These provide a delicious crunch, and they're also incredibly high in antioxidants. I'll also add another spoonful of nut butter and then a big handful of my own brand, Ellie's granola. So today I'm using the chocolate chip quinoa granola, and it's all wheat-free, dairy-free, vegan, no refined sugar, and nothing artificial. And there you have it, that's my low sugar smoothie bowl. It's super simple to make and takes less than 5 minutes to throw together. You can obviously get creative, replacing some of the ingredients with what you have in the fridge. Play around with your toppings too, as that's a perfect way to add flavor, texture, and crunch. I'd love to know what your favorite smoothie combination is, so let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, as it really helps my channel to grow. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below, and I'll see you back here with another video next Friday.